Our clients are crushing it. More impressions, more clicks, more conversions, and more money. So if you're ready to finally take Pinterest seriously too, this video is for you. Hey, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online shop owners, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. I'm walking you through the exact Pinterest marketing approach we'd recommend for 2025. From choosing a niche and setting up your account to pinning the right way so your content actually gets seen. And stick around because I'll also show you my favorite tool that's basically like hiring a full-time Pinterest assistant. Some of our users are seeing 6 million, even 10 million monthly impressions, and the growth just keeps coming. So if that sounds like the kind of traffic you want, hit like and subscribe because we've got a full lineup of Pinterest training dropping over the next few weeks. Let's start with the obvious question. Why Pinterest? Pinterest is not social media. You're not chasing trends or dancing on screen. Pinterest is a visual search engine, just like Google or YouTube. People are coming to the platform with questions and they want answers. Answers that you and your pins can provide. Recipes, gift guides, affiliate roundups, home office inspo, you name it, they're actively looking and they want to click. So when you finally realize that Pinterest is more than just a mood board, you start to see the real power of the platform. With over 570 million monthly users, there's a massive audience actively searching for ideas, inspiration, and products right now. And even better, Pinterest content is evergreen, which means it doesn't disappear after 24 hours, but actually drives traffic for months or even years after you post them. And with every pin allowing a URL to be added, Pinterest makes it easy to get people to your site. So grab a pen and paper and let's get your strategy set up. Before you even create your Pinterest account, we recommend getting clear on your goal, your audience, and the language they use. Let's set a clear goal. What do you actually want your Pinterest business to do? Are you trying to get more impressions? Do you want clicks to a blog, newsletter signups? Is the goal to sell digital products, grow an affiliate site, or drive traffic to an Etsy shop? There's no right answer, but you do need one. Because once you know your goal, you can reverse engineer your pins, descriptions, and links to support it. And if you're looking for some of the top ways to make money on Pinterest, we've got a video with that answer. I'll link it in the description below. Once you know your goal, let's figure out who you're trying to talk to. Who are you trying to help? What problems are you trying to solve? Let's say you're a food blogger focused on busy moms. Your audience might be searching for things like 15-minute kid-friendly dinners or healthy snacks for toddlers. Knowing those problems means you know what kind of pins to make and what kind of keywords to target. Which brings me to my next point. Now is a great time to start some basic keyword research. Just start typing into the Pinterest search bar and let the autocomplete guide you. We'll break down keyword research more in a future video, so hit subscribe if you want to see that. You can also check out Pinterest Trends at trends.pinterest.com. This is great for spotting seasonal patterns and regional opportunities. Once you've done the prep work, it's time to set up your Pinterest business account and optimize your profile so the algorithm and your audience know exactly what you're about. There are only two types of Pinterest accounts, personal and business. If you're here to grow a blog, brand, or business, you'll need a business account. Business accounts unlock analytics, ad tools, and gives Pinterest the right signals about how to treat your content. It's completely free and only takes a few minutes to set up. Again, we've got a tutorial on how to do this and I'll link it in the description below. Once you've got your account, you'll want to optimize your profile and your boards. We optimize them by adding keywords in your name and in your bio. This will tell Pinterest and your audience what your account is about. For example, instead of just Sarah, you might write Sarah, vegan recipes and healthy food blogger. Your bio could say, I create easy, affordable vegan recipes from 20-minute dinners to gluten-free treats. Notice how that naturally includes keywords like vegan recipes, affordable meals, gluten-free, and 20-minute dinners without sounding robotic. You always want to add keywords naturally. Similarly, you'll want to add keywords to your boards. Boards are like folders for your pins. They help Pinterest categorize your content and show your audience what types of things you'll be posting. Come up with 5 to 10 board names based on your main content pillars. For example, 30-minute vegan recipes or kid-friendly vegan snacks. You'll want to give each board a clear, searchable title with keywords and a short board description including 2 to 3 keywords naturally too. Once you've got your board set up, you'll want to think about brand visuals. Choose a color palette, fonts, and a design style that you can stick with. This will help your pins feel consistent and recognizable. I personally use a tool called Pin Generator to keep this simple. It lets you build branded pin templates, apply your color palette, and create posts from blog links automatically. But you can use whatever you want. Canva, templates from Etsy, whatever works for you. Your pins need to stop the scroll. That means bold, clear fonts, nothing cursive, nothing too thin. Use high contrast colors, short, punchy titles, and a layout that's really easy to read at a quick glance. Don't be afraid to mix up your formats to see what works best for your audience. When you're creating pins, every single one should include the following though. A clear title with at least 1 or 2 of your target keywords, a natural description, again, using keywords but no keyword stuffing, and always, always, always a call to action. Tell people what to do next. Should they read more on your blog? Should they download a freebie? Make it obvious. And don't forget the link. Every pin should drive to something that matches your goal, whether it's traffic to your blog, clicks to an affiliate link, or sales on your Etsy shop. Now, I personally use Pin Generator for this. They've got ready-made templates, color palettes, and design ideas that keep my pins consistent and on brand. You can even use it to generate pin designs automatically from your website, which honestly is a huge time saver. But again, it's up to you and whatever keeps you consistent. Once you've created your pins, the next part of your Pinterest strategy is publishing, and consistency is key. When you're first starting out, a good target is 2 to 3 pins per day and slowly build up. That might sound like a lot, but remember, you can mix original content, repurposed blog posts, product pins, and even updated versions of older designs. So how do you do that without losing your mind? I recommend using a scheduling tool so you can set it and forget it. Here's how I do that in Pin Generator. You can bulk create, shuffle, and even schedule pins weeks in advance, all in one go. Just make sure when you're bulk creating that you're rotating through different URLs if you're promoting a blog or a product. That helps avoid spammy patterns and gives your entire content library more exposure. Every Pinterest business account comes with analytics, and I recommend checking in at least once a month or once per quarter to see how your pins are doing. Are your impressions growing? Are people clicking through to your site, shop, or links? Which pins are performing best? Are any topics or formats getting more traction than another? These answers will help you decide what's next. If something is doing really well, double down on that. Make more pins on that topic, test variations of the same format. And if something's flopping, maybe it's time to refresh your keywords. Try and think of a new design style or rethink your call to action. This is also a great time to revisit Pinterest trends and do a fresh round of keyword research to plan ahead for seasonal or evergreen content. Think of it like steering a ship. You don't need to change direction every day, but you do want to make sure you're headed in the direction that you actually want to go. So you don't need a secret strategy, you just need some clarity and consistency. We've seen our users quadruple their output and hit 2 million, 6 million, even 10 million monthly impressions with strategies just like this and tools like Pin Generator to make it a whole lot easier. If you want to dive deeper into keywords, trends, and monetization, those videos are coming soon. So be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss them. I'm Max. I share weekly videos to streamline your Pinterest marketing so you can get your content seen without burning out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.